Don't be a pushover. Understanding English phrases. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, a pushover. If you've heard this phrase and wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand it but also be able to use it like a native speaker. The term, a pushover, is a noun that describes a person who is easily influenced or manipulated by others. It can also imply that the person is too accommodating or unable to resist pressure from others, whether it's in terms of decision-making, persuasion, or yielding to others' requests. Imagine someone who always says yes to helping others, even if it means putting their own needs last. Or think of that friend who can never say no to a favor. That's a classic example of what we call a pushover. The phrase, a pushover, has a fascinating history. It's believed to have originated from the world of gambling, where a pushover referred to a game or a bet that was easy to win. Over time, this expression extended to describe any task that was easy to accomplish and, eventually, to people who are easily swayed. Now, let's see how to use a pushover correctly in a sentence. Remember, context is key. She's not a pushover. She knows how to stand up for herself and won't give in to peer pressure. You thought this game would be a pushover, but it's actually quite challenging. Don't take advantage of his kindness. He may seem like a pushover, but he's just generous. It's important to reflect on ourselves. Are you the kind of person who has a hard time saying no? Do you often find yourself doing things to please others at your own expense? If you relate to this, you might be seen as a pushover. However, it's crucial to find a balance. Being cooperative is great, but it's also vital to maintain personal boundaries. In case you want to express this idea differently, here are some synonyms for a pushover. Soft touch. Walkover. Yes man. Doormat. Note: this can be considered derogative. Accommodating. Using different words can give your conversation variety and depth. That's it for today's exploration of the phrase, a pushover. I hope this video helps you understand the meaning and use of this phrase and maybe even examine our own behaviors. Remember, it's good to be kind and helpful, but it's also important to know your worth and set boundaries. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again for more English language tips. Happy learning!